Alright guys, back with box 3, 2007 masterpieces this time. I wanted another 5x7, so hopefully this time it's going to be autoed. I would die if it's a Ken Griffey Jr. autograph. I would just die. The video would just continuously run because I would die. Alright, let's see who it is. It's not, well, it's not too bad, I suppose. Josh Hamilton. 5x7 Josh Hamilton, not autographed, not numbered. Oh well. Where can I put this? There we go. I'll just set it right there. And let's get cracking. We've got 4 hits to get out of here. 1 signature, 3 memorabilia cards. So hopefully we can get some good hits out of here. I'd like to get some good autograph, a good autograph. Start off the bat with a Cal Ripken Jr. Not bad. And the parallel is going to be a Bucky Dent green parallel, not numbered. And a couple more base cards. These packs suck for opening. I think that's why the previous videos I did of this stuff took so long. Oh, well, there's my autograph, a Jeff Baker autograph. Weak. Not numbered. That's weak. I'm not even thrilled about that. Akinori Iramura, rookie. And a Lou Gehrig and a Walter Johnson base card. This pack is so thin. All base, probably. Yep. Pretty much, all base. That one actually shows a shoe for some reason in a side image. I don't know why. This one feels like it might have a jersey in it, but probably not. Nope. Nothing out of that pack. Pujols, but that's probably only a $2 card. Alright, so now let's go to this one, and we got a Babe Ruth black border. Not numbered. Oh, it is numbered. Numbered 81 of 99. That's very nice. And a Delman Young rookie. Actually, that's really nice because that means that it's going to be kind of a nice little book value on that one. And I got another parallel in here of Andrew Miller rookie green border. And that's pretty much base right there. Speed this up a little bit more. A stupid pack filler in here. Ichiro. Base. Pack filler. Another Cal Ripken Jr. A-Rod, Randy Johnson. Still looking for 3 jersey cards. Love it to be a Hall of Fame jersey card. That'd be sweet. Cal Ripken Jr. and Tony Gwynn together. And John F. Kennedy. Now the card on the back of this pack is Babe Ruth, so that's... Oh, what do we have here? A green of Walter Johnson, not numbered. And the back card being Babe Ruth. I think we got a hit in here. We do. Looks like it's going to be a jersey of Ryan Zimmerman. A little dirt on that jersey. Weird. And a couple more base cards. Get that further back so I don't have to keep bumping into it. Pack filler in here. Another pack filler. Dice K rookie. Not bad. The actual rookie, not second year card. This one looks like we got another jersey. Michael Young jersey card. Don't know who he is. Another Cal Ripken jersey or card. Ken Griffey Jr. card. Roger Steroids Clemens. Looks like we got another jersey card in here of Randy Johnson on the Diamondbacks, and not bad. I guess that's pretty much it for the hits, though. Guess I can't really complain. I did get, you know, 2 patch cards out of the previous 2 boxes, and Ken Griffey Jr. in his Seattle uniform, very nice. And then 2004 World Series champions, green, Boston Red Sox. And last 2 packs, both are looking incredibly thin. And we got a Luis Aparicio, green border, not numbered. Richard Nixon and his base card in the same pack. And the final pack of the night is my parallel of Cole Hamels, red parallel numbered 35 of 75. And we got another Babe Ruth card, which is always nice to get. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for the break. Not too much out of there. Got a few more jerseys, which will all be up for trade. The Babe Ruth is going to be up for trade. The Jeff Bowers or Baker is going to be up for trade. Basically, everything you saw tonight is up for trade, with exception to the Frank Thomas patch auto, which is first dibs goes to the Truist 17. Alright, so that's it. Peace.